Hey y'all, what is up? So in this video I will be showing you guys how to achieve this perfect deep wave hair. And yeah, I'm just rushing straight into it because I'm tired of talking all the time in the beginning of my videos. But anyways, yeah, if you guys are not already subscribed, make sure that you guys subscribe right now down below, period. But yeah, so like I said, today I will be showing you guys how this install happened, how we got the curls popping, how we got the lace laid, and all of that. Okay, so I did get this wig from Arabella Hair. They have some bomb ass hair, like bomb. Okay, so yeah, let me show you guys. So yeah, I'm excited to show you guys how this look was created. I mean, it's simple, but it's cute. So stay tuned, and we're about to get into it.
The Martian. Purchase your tracks today. The Martian.
that is it. That is it. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up. Well, you can't comment. Y'all already know YouTube be tripping on my comments, but please make sure that y'all subscribe. And yeah, so I love y'all. Make sure that you guys go check out Arabella Hair because they have some bomb wigs for the low. Especially if you want to get this look. So yeah, I love y'all and I'll see y'all in the next video.